What is free fall motion? The things that fall free in air is normal event in our life. The first people that learned it firstly is Galileo. But before Galileo, people always think if the thing is have a big mass, is always fall falsely rather than the things that have a long mass. But it is not true because the truth one is the falling things. It is because the gravitation of it is because gravitation effect. From this now, we can know the constant of gravitation is 9.8, but we usually use 10 meter per second quarter. The formula of the free fall motion is y equals v of or velocity times t plus a half g t power of 2. Y is same as height and v is velocity of the things that have balance. The formula is v plus g times t. Example, there is an apple from the tree and it fall into the ground about 2 seconds. So how long the tree? We can use this formula. We know the y is v times t plus a half times g times t to the power of 2. The velocity is 0 because we don't know how much the velocity, because this thing is quiet and doesn't have velocity, so the v is 0 plus t. We know that t is 2 seconds. 2 seconds and plus a half. We use gravitation is 10, not 9.8, because it's more easier. And t to the power of 2 is same form because the t is 2. Then we got the y is 20, the y is 20 meter because the velocity is 0 and the t is 2 and 0 times 2 is 0, so we just use this, a half times 10 times 4, so we got the y is 20 meter, y is 20 meter. Already? Another formula is what have